How to schedule an email in Gmail using PC and mobile. Are you a night owl who works until the wee hours of the morning, pounding out email after email? That's great for you. However, some members of your team may prefer not to deal with after-hours emails. Fortunately, Google allows you to schedule emails in Gmail so you can check things off your to-do list without bothering your teammates after hours. How to schedule an email. The obvious first step is to compose the email and add the recipient you need to send. Then you will notice that there is a drop-down menu button next to the Send button at the bottom of the email window. Click it and choose Schedule Send. Mobile users can access this option in the three-dot menu. A pop-up box appears with 3 quick scheduling options, like tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, or Monday morning. If none of those work for you, have 4th option to pick date and time. So you can pick a specific date on the calendar and the exact time, and you can even schedule it for a different year. How to view and cancel scheduled emails. The email will be scheduled immediately after you select a time and date. In Gmail, a new scheduled folder will appear, displaying the number of pending scheduled emails. Open this folder to see all your scheduled emails with dates showing when they will be sent out. If you need to undo a scheduled email right away, Gmail displays a pop-up message that allows you to undo the scheduled email right away. When you click undo, the message will be saved as a draft. Otherwise, open the scheduled folder, hover over the email you want to edit, and delete it by clicking the trash can icon to edit and reschedule your message. Open the email and click Cancel Send to return it to drafts. Mobile users can also cancel and send emails to drafts by long pressing on the email and tapping the arrow with the X. Apple users can also hit the trash can icon to delete. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful to you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified of our latest video.